Let's talk about passage second, question 22nd. Let's first discuss about the passage. The passage says that the biggest source of our personal carbon footprints are typically home heating, cooling, home electricity, and transportation. So, if spending a little extra on the electricity bill isn't a problem, or switching to a green energy option is an easy way to make a huge carbon reduction. Now, the next line is an important line over here. Fortunately, many of the ways of reducing CO2 footprints also save money. Our society has gotten used to many of our most important resources being effectively free, in that most of us would not directly notice the effect on our wallet of forgetting to turn off a light or not fixing a leaky tap. Now, then let me read the next line as well. This is changing, thankfully, as fuels become more expensive, but we have a long way to go. That means we need to change. We need to change or replace the current practices. One is already been curbed because of fuel become more expensive, but the remaining steps we are supposed to take. Now that is what the passage is saying. Let us see which option would make sense for us. Option A says there is an urgent need to replace the current practices with more eco-friendly ones. Yes, that is what been given the last line. It is saying something is being done incidentally and accidentally because of the fuels becoming more expensive, but we also need to adopt certain things, certain habits which would contribute to the eco-friendly environment. Hence, option A is a better option. Let us also check option B. Option B says the rise in personal carbon footprints is unavoidable and can only increase in the future. Now, when I talk about this statement also does not hold true, because it is assuming that the rise in carbon footprints is unavoidable. Since the passage says that reducing carbon footprint is possible, so this is against the passage. Let's talk about C option. The fuels that we are using up without caring about money will not remain free for very long. Uh, this is also not correct, because it is also assuming that fuels are free for us to use, but we are actually paying more for them if they are wasted. That is what been given according to the passage. D option is also wrong, since it is assuming that the ways of reducing carbon footprints are expensive in the long run. Since the passage it has already talked about many of the ways of reducing CO2 footprints also save money. Therefore, answer A is the correct option.